Put pressure on it.
No. Okay. Just so you know, there's a bag of ice on my knee.
It's a bag of ice on his knee because today he tried to be all cool in front of some girls on the bus. He tried to be cool in front of some girls. Shut the fuck up, alright? He tried to be cool, tried doing a tray flip. He hurt his knee on the bench, and this is what he's been doing pretty much the whole day. But without ice. We saw some girl, some lady on the metro bus with a see-through white tank top and saw her titties.
She was an old lady.
Oh my god. Te voy a operar ahorita.
No, hombre, güey, vete para allá.
No, te vamos a operar ahorita la pinche.
¡Ey,
No llores, cabrón. Te la lastimaste, ¿no? A ver. Te vamos a operar ahorita.
No, güey, no, güey.
Vamos a operarte. Estoy llorando. Póntelo abajo del pinche pantalón.
Yeah. Pull up your pants. Pull up your pants.
I can't.
Pull up your pants.
These are like.
Pull up your pants.
These are somewhat.
Pull.
Tienes que cortar el pinche pantalón, lo vamos a cortar.
Hey, move.
Sí, güey, tiene que ser abajo del pantalón, vamos ahí, ¿no?
Ok, pero no se sube porque está.
Pues corta el pinche pantalón.
Go slowly. Go slowly. Slowly.
Oh,
Yo sé que lo
my
estás
God.
buscando a ver cómo está su pinche pata.
I'm gonna fall right now. You ready? Say bye.
Bye.